DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV, weekly pidgin English when we dey bring come give una. I beg country people, if this one na the first time when e be say you take dey watch our video, I use God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you come knack the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news video. Me wey wan knack una the tori this week, na be una country brother again when my name be Stanley Okocha. This next story, country people, dey come from Kogi State, where one prophet don come out come talk say he don dey ask federal government and even Kogi State government make dem give am license make him go heal people when he get coronavirus. He don talk am reach like that now, say the thing don dey pass, be careful. Say when he talk am, they no gree follow am. Now he don dey threa ten say if anybody die from corona again, he go carry President Muhammadu Buhari and Kogi State Governor wey be Yahaya Bello go court. Give us the video, make our people see am.
No movement anywhere. But I want to tell the whole world, the key to this pandemic is in my hand. Federal government, I give an instruction between now and 2 weeks. If I don't receive an approval from the government, order to visit all the isolation center here in Nigeria, number one, I will sue federal government. Federal government is a burden. I will sue federal government. Then, the head of the federal government, who is our president, I will sue Buhari personally to court. And I'm coming down to Kogi State. I come down to Kogi State, and I believe I'll spend no less than 5 months in Kogi State now. I'll be praying and I'll be commanding all this sickness not to enter my own state, Kogi State. If I don't receive a letter from the state, because the state has been there, the state cannot die, but the governor can die. Federal government cannot die, but president of the nation can die. I will first of all sue my own state, Kogi State, to court. And I'm going to sue my governor, which is Governor Yahaya Adoza Bello, to court. If I don't receive an approval, I'm not begging, I'm not begging federal government, either begging President Muhammadu Buhari, either begging Governor Yahaya Adoza Bello, either begging Kogi State government, or either begging federal government, but I will command between now and the next 2 weeks, because I saw this problem coming, and this problem will be multiplied day by day. If I don't listen, healing power is a gift. It's not all about quoting Revelation, Genesis to Revelation. It's a gift. If you have a gift of healing, either you speak the Bible, you quote the Bible, don't quote the Bible, healing take place. That's how God works. But if I don't receive a letter, an approval from federal government should ready to face the consequence. Because if I heard anyone,
If somebody say him get power to do something, not be to give am opportunity to go do the thing. He don dey talk now say him get power, him go fit heal coronavirus. Abeg our government, President Buhari, abeg give this man license, make he go try. You go surprise say trial go fit bring the luck when we dey look for. Not be to get cure we dey look for. Make una give am the opportunity. If this one na the first time when e be say you take dey see our video like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. And again, make you knack your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our video stories like this. Bye bye.
DJM TV.